Hey everybody, it's Jim T with Key, the realtor from BG, coming to you live from the White House in Bowling Green, Ohio. In today's market activity update, we are covering the one, the only Bowling Green in MLS Area 55 for the month of November, the year 2020. What a year it's been, I'll tell you what. Let's get started. In today's report, let's start off, I'd like to kick off with new listings. When we look at new listings, there hasn't been a lot in Bowling Green. There hasn't been for quite a while. In the month of November, we only have 8 new listings in 2020 versus 9 that existed in 2019. What this is doing is it's driving down the overall month supply of inventory, especially when we look at indicators like pending sales and closed sales. Pending sales have increased by almost 100%, 76.9% increase in pending sales, and closed sales have remained the same for November 2020 versus November 2019. And we're looking at month supply of inventory, which is dangerously low. It's now decreased by 30.4% in this month versus last year. And in a typical market where we're at equilibrium, meaning there's equal parts buyers as there are sellers, we should be sitting at about 4 to 6 months worth of inventory to keep the market happy and content and to keep prices fairly stable. When we dip this low, what this is likely to do is it's likely to drive average sale prices up, which has happened. When we look at average sale price in November 2020 versus November 2019, we see an increase of 13.4%. Well, not so fast, Jim T. That's just the month of November. You're right. Let's scroll over here. January through the end of November 2019 and January through the end of November 2020 also yields a pretty impressive number, which is 5.6% year-over-year difference. Folks, it's never been a better time to own real estate in Bowling Green, Ohio. This trend has continued now for many, many years. If we look over to the graph, median home sales in Bowling Green, Ohio on a 12-month rolling average calculation, the worst month that Bowling Green has seen in the past 10-year history. It looks to be about July to August of 2012. Flash forward 8 years to August of 2020, we see a significant improvement. 120,000 in 2012 versus about 190,000 in 2020. That's an improvement of about $70,000 over 10 years, which equates to almost $10,000 appreciation per year. I don't know of too many stocks that will do that for you folks, especially considering we all need a place to live. So, the moral of this story is, if you are a buyer and if you have been contemplating buying a new home and you're thinking about Bowling Green, Ohio, it has never been a better time to be a buyer. Now, Jim T, are you mad? Why do you say this? I'll tell you why I say this. Because interest rates are dipping below 3%. We have not had this happen in close to 10 years. So, even though we've seen an appreciation of 5.6% year over year from last year, interest rates have dipped by over 1.5% in the same period of time, which means it is now more affordable for you to buy a house, even at the higher rate, in Bowling Green than it was just the same time last year. Because at $200,000, let's say the average sale price, $200,000, a 1% interest rate is approximately $2,000 in interest per year. So, even though you're paying a little bit more than you would have last year in terms of the average sale price for the house, you're getting a much deeper discount because of the interest rate. And I promise you, Jim T has got you covered in terms of lenders. I deal with only the best, and we can get you the best interest rate that there is. So, this has been your monthly activity report for the month of November of 2020 in Bowling Green, Ohio. This is Jim T with Key, the realtor from BG. If this report is finding you well and you like this report and you like the information it provides, please click the like and the subscribe button so you don't miss any future reports. Again, this has been Jim T. with Key the Realtor from BG, signing off from the White House in Bowling Green. I hope you all have a great holiday season this year, and look forward to chatting with you again soon. Great day.